Hey YouTube friends, this is Roy from RK Treasure Center. Well, today's going to be another day of traveling around sourcing, looking for items. I'm getting ready to go into Thrift City. It's one of the thrift stores that I enjoy going into. I usually find some good things. If I find some good things, I'll show them to you, and I'll try to take you on a little walk around inside that thrift store. A lot of times they play music, so I don't know how much of this video that you're going to see inside that store. That looks pretty good. Doesn't look like it's been opened. $9.99. Original price $59. I think we'll get that. Picked up a couple of other things already, but they're just mostly for me. So I just picked this up. It's brand new 2016 Ralph Lauren official, sealed, tagged, new. You want $12 for it? I'm gonna take it. All right, I picked up this Halliburton Zero briefcase, tote, I guess you want to call it. Sells for about $40–50. Brand new. Still got the security thing on there. $9.99. You know, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna flip that. I'm gonna flip that and make some money. I got $9.99. I'm gonna flip it and make some money. Oh, there you go, right there. Home run. All right, I'm back from another great day of thrifting. Found some really good items. Picked up some items that are going to be good sellers, but picked up some items that I'm really happy about. This is the first one. This is the United States Olympic team. It says USA Olympic team. You see right there, it's a Ralph Lauren polo. It's brand new. There's the tags, 2016 Polo Ralph Lauren certified. It's got the little certification seal. You can see it's kind of hard. It's still Velcro or still closed at the top up there. It's still got the paper in the bottom for the tissue paper. It's got the seal on there. I paid $12.99 for it. I don't know if you see that original price right there, $198. But I was really happy to pick this up. I looked it up. I found one that sold. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to list this for, but I should get a pretty penny for it. I was really happy I found that. Along with the bags, I found this Zero Halliburton bag. You can see it's in there. Again, this was another, paid $12.99 for it. See where you find it. It says Zero Halliburton right there. It's a pretty good looking bag. It looks as though maybe somebody may have owned it and used it maybe once, but it's in excellent condition. It's just beautiful. Couldn't find this exact one. Now, if anybody knows about Zero or Halliburton, they make a hard aluminum type briefcase. If you can find a Zero Halliburton aluminum briefcase, you're looking at $100 plus. Guaranteed you're going to get $100 plus on them. Unless they're, I guess, in their really bad condition. But good new condition, man, I've seen brand new ones go up to $450. This bag right here, I couldn't find this exact one. I saw some similar ones sell for about $60–70. So I couldn't find this exact one, but I was really pleased to be able to get this one. So I paid $12.99 for it, and I should be able, I'm gonna ask $70 for it. So this is the next item that I picked up I was pretty happy about. It's a cast iron pan. It's got dinosaurs all over it. Let's see the dinosaurs here. I paid $5.99 for it. And what this is a 1988 John Wright, I guess, biscuit cake pan, whatever you want to call it. But it's says right here, it's a little hard to read, but it says 1988 John Wright Dinosaur Pan, made in the USA. And cost on this is about $40 plus shipping. So used ones will go for anywhere from $20 to $40. New ones will go $40 plus. In fact, if I find one, I'll stick a picture up here so you can see it. But another good find I was really happy about. Okay, so if I show in the video, you may have saw this in the video, and you may not have, but this was another great find. This was sitting on a shelf right here, practically nothing next to it on the shelf. I've done a lot of camping, so whenever I see certain camping things, I'll pick it up. And this looked like a little camping item that I saw. $5.99. This is called a Kettle. This right here, I'll still get, believe it or not, I'll get $75 for it. Maybe I'll get a little less, but I'll get $60, $70 for it. It looks like it's still new. It's got all its components. If it was in the box, I'd probably definitely get $75 or more. And if it came with accessories, like sometimes they'll come with cups or things like that, you could easily get $125 or $150. But this little aluminum survival, and that's what it is, a survival water jug. Put paper, wood, whatever you want, light it, heats up your water. $5.99, and like I said, I'm gonna start asking around $75 for it. So, another item to keep an eye out for when you see camping stuff, older camping stuff, or anything that looks like survival camping stuff. Really good money makers. Like I said, this is called a Kettle, so be on the lookout. That's a good bolo item. Be on the lookout for that if you happen to see it. Can't promise you'll find it, but it's a good item to look for. A lot of times I'll go out and I try not to pick up clothing, but I know I'm gonna find something once in a while. And I never really pick up pants. I really don't. There's just not something. But I picked up a pair of these. It's a pair of RMC Martin Course jeans. They're still new, and I mean, this is not a design for me, but there's a lot of people that like these. And I looked up comps, and the exact same one, this one's a size 40, but this exact same one sold for, I think, about $30, maybe $25, $30. So it was half off. I paid $3 for it. Okay, this was the next thing I picked up. Again, I don't like to pick up jeans. It was half off of this. I paid $5 for it. Well, let me show you the front right here. So it's a pair of Coogie jeans. Excellent condition. Practically brand new. So size, again, 38. This one's 38, 34s. This is another one. I just saw the exact same style. Just sold for $25 plus shipping. $29 plus shipping, something like that. So, I don't know. I usually don't pick up pants, but I don't like to pick up pants. But I thought I'd pick these up and give them a try. Alright, well, when I was out there thrifting, this is one of the first things that I picked up. This is a Discovery Kids. It's kind of like a GoPro for kids. You can see on the picture there, he's got it mounted on his bike. It's loose, but it's just loose in the packaging, but it's still open, so I'll have to see if I can get it there. It's got all its pieces. That thrift store I go to, sometimes they have good prices and sometimes they're extremely high. I saw a couple items that were at prices higher than what I could sell it for. But this one I pay, it says $9.99 on it. Comps on this goes for about $35. The original price was $59.99, so I'm gonna start at around $40. And it's fairly lightweight. It'll go out probably at about an $8 rate. Pay $9, that's $17 right there. So I need to get, I need to sell this for about $40 just to be able to get some good money out of it. But I think it's going to sell. All right, something else I picked up was this Wubbanub. Wubbanub. This is the Giraffe Pacifier. Paid $1.99 for it. This was selling for anywhere from $11.99 to $14 for the exact same one. I guess if you find this while you're out sourcing or looking for items, if you're a reseller, look for Wubbanubs. Still new in the package. You won't want to sell this used, but sell it in the package brand new. You should get about $12 for it easy. All right, so I picked this up, and again, this might be on the thrift video. It might not if I show the thrift video, but I picked this up, and this little jar or little dish or whatever you want to call it, a little trinket dish or whatever. It looks like it's got, I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure who that is. Atlas or something. No, somebody with a harp and a little cherub. Anyway, it says, it's right here if I can find it. Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, 125th anniversary. And down here on the bottom it says, and I gotta clean it up a little bit, it says, designed exclusively for Boston, Massachusetts, of Fine Arts by Tiffany & Company, made in Japan. So I have no idea what this is worth. I could not find any comps on this, but just for the fact that it's probably 22 karat gold gilding for all the lettering, it's made by Tiffany & Company. I'm thinking I probably could get some money for this, and I may start off at some crazy high number, and it may be too much. But if I can find it, I'll know for sure. If anybody out there knows or has seen this before, knows what it's worth, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to do my research, try to find it, and I bet I get a good price for it. All right, this other item I picked up is a set of headphones. These are Pioneer SE205s. They're an older headphone, but man, they are in excellent condition. It's got that large plug jack, but they are really good. Paid $5.99 for it, but I'm going to ask about $30 for these. These were about I want to say late 1970s is when these came out. This I picked up. It's still new in the package, but this is paid $1.99 for this. This is a vintage patty cake waterproof sheet, size 35 by 54, and it's just a waterproof wet sheet for like cribs or beds or for little kids. But and this is really nice. It's still vintage, probably early 80s. I'd have to look for sure, but I'm guessing about early 80s. And it seems like it's in really good pliable condition. It's not roughed up or anything like that. So I ought to be able to get a good price for this being vintage. So I did pick up a few other little items, but I'm not going to showcase them. I don't want to make this video any longer than it is. And some of the items are for me or for my wife, Kim. I did start an Instagram about 2 weeks ago. So if you're an Instagram user and you'd like to start following us on Instagram, go to RK Treasure Center. And I'll try to put pictures of things I find or post little videos of stuff before they actually come out on YouTube. Also, if you like this video, you like these kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment down below. I try to answer all the comments, so if you have any questions or anything, you put it in there. And to always, if you're a reseller, remember, find it, sell it, profit. Y'all take care and have a great day, everybody.